How to send money by using MyMA Kiosk. Step 1. Select Remittances. Step 2. Open your MyMA app and scan your MyMA QR. Step 3. You may select the country you wish to remit in the left side. Step 4. Click here to enter the amount you want to send. Enter your amount you want to send. After that, click Proceed. Then you need to select recipient you wish to send. Next is select Purpose to transfer. Then select Income source. Then select Proceed. Step 10. After Proceed will lead to Review and Confirm. Tick these two term and conditions checkboxes, then after confirm the details is correct, tap on Verify and Send. After that will showing Successfully Verify. Then will flow to payment method. There will be 3 payment methods: Cash Pay Now and MyMA Wallet. MyMA. Bridging the gap. Bringing you closer to home.